Well, do my beloved brothers and sisters, sometimes in life we struggle not because of what others do to us, but because of what we allow. We carry the weight of unnecessary burdens, all because we never learned the power of a simple word. Saying no is not about arrogance, pride, or disrespect. It is about protecting the limited time, energy, and peace that you have been blessed with. If you try to please everyone, you will soon realize that you end up pleasing no one, not even yourself. There are people who will take advantage of your kindness. They will keep asking and you will keep giving until one day you are left drained, tired, and then you wonder, why do I feel so exhausted? The truth is, you never guarded your own heart. Learning to say no is actually an act of wisdom. It is knowing when to set healthy boundaries, reminding yourself that not every request deserves your yes. Some requests will harm you, some will distract you, and some will pull you away from your true responsibilities. Remember, you are not required to be everywhere, to do everything, or to satisfy every demand placed on you. If saying yes means losing your peace, then it is far better to say no with dignity. A gentle no, spoken with kindness, can save you from months of stress. Sometimes the people around you will not understand. They may even criticize you. But your goal in life is not to gain the approval of everyone. Your goal is to live truthfully, wisely, and with integrity. So, my dear brothers and sisters, don't feel guilty for protecting your time, your soul. Don't apologize for setting boundaries. And don't be afraid to disappoint people if it means remaining true to yourself. Because at the end of the day, the one who matters most is the one who gave you this life, and you must answer to him for how you lived it. Your time and energy are not things that belong to you without accountability. They are a trust given to you. Every breath you take, every moment you live, and every ounce of strength you carry is a blessing, and like every blessing, it comes with responsibility. Too often, that our hours and our energy are limited. We live as though we will never grow tired, as though the day will never end, as though life will continue endlessly. But the reality is, time is slipping away. Once a moment is gone, it can never be reclaimed. That is why learning how to guard your time and your energy is an essential part of living wisely. When you allow everyone and everything to consume your time, you will soon discover that you have none left for what truly matters. People may call you, demand from you, or expect you to fulfill every request, and out of kindness or fear of disappointing them, you keep saying yes. At first, it may feel like you are being helpful, like you are doing the right thing, but slowly you begin to realize you are drained. Your body feels exhausted, your mind becomes heavy, and your heart feels restless. Why? Because you've given away what was entrusted you without setting limits. You forgot that your time and your energy are not infinite. They are gifts, and gifts must be used carefully. Think of your life as a lamp filled with oil. The oil represents your energy, your ability, your strength. If you let the flame burn without caution, if you allow others to keep drawing from your lamp without ever refilling it, one day the flame will die out. No matter how much you want to help others, you cannot pour from an empty vessel. You cannot give light to others if your own lamp is extinguished. This is why saying no is so important. It is not cruelty, it is wisdom. And it is not selfishness, it is protection. You are not turning away from people because you dislike them. You are simply making sure that you have enough strength left to fulfill your true responsibilities. If your time and energy are wasted on things that do not matter, the things that do matter will suffer. Imagine neglecting your health because you were too busy running after everyone else's needs. Imagine sacrificing your prayer, your family, your inner peace, because you could not say no to endless demands. At the end of the day, those people may walk away, but you will be left carrying the consequences. That is why you must learn to honor the trust you have been given. Your Creator has given you this time, this body, this energy, and He has instructed you to use it wisely. Squandering it in pursuit of everyone's approval is not wisdom, it is betrayal of the trust. So remember, guarding your time and energy is not just about saying no to others, it is about saying yes to what truly matters. It is about choosing wisely where you invest your strength. It is about knowing that every no to distraction is a yes to peace, a yes to balance, a yes to fulfilling your true purpose. And when you honor that trust, you will find yourself living with clarity, strength, and dignity, saying, no is not just a word, it is a shield that protects your heart, your mind, and your peace. Many people feel guilty when they decline a request, as if turning someone down is a sign of selfishness or rudeness. But in reality, it is an act of preservation. Every time you say yes to something that doesn't align with your values, that drains your strength, or that pushes you beyond your capacity, you are saying no to your own peace. You are exchanging your inner calm for temporary approval. And once you lose your peace, you lose the very foundation that allows you to live a balanced and meaningful life. Peace is one of the greatest treasures you can have. Without feels empty. Without peace, success feels hollow. Without peace, relationships feel heavy. So when you learn to say no, you are not pushing people away. You are simply protecting the serenity that keeps your life steady. It is like locking your door at night. You are not being unfriendly to those outside, but you are safeguarding the safety of those inside. In the same way, no to unnecessary demands is closing the door to chaos and opening the door to tranquility. Many people who struggle with anxiety, restlessness, or stress do so because they have never learned to use this shield. They keep saying yes, even when their heart is screaming no. They agree to commitments they cannot handle. They allow toxic people to drain their emotions, and they accept burdens that were never theirs to carry. Slowly, they find themselves overwhelmed, frustrated, and resentful.